What's up everybody, my name is Dwight and welcome back to GeForce Garage. We're big fans of Marvel around here and the robotics in Iron Man go really well with PC modding. And Haman Chronicle out in Malaysia also agrees. He created an incredible scratch build based off of a War Machine case suit. Let's go take a closer look and talk with Haman.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Shafiq Hamman and I'm from Terengganu, Malaysia. I started modding in 2016. My first appearance was in Cooler Master World Series modding competitions with my first mod called the Battleship. Many people know about Iron Man and his armor suit. For me, I like the story of Iron Man as he is both designer and creator for his creations. I took hints from the Iron Man 2 movie in 2010 as inspiration. I bought the case suit concept to my mod because I really wanted to create a powerful yet portable gaming system complete with liquid cooling and full of style. I used War Machine as the basic because it matched the theme of the RTX model in both color and lighting. It is completely portable liquid gaming PC with a monitor attached. Arranging the liquid cooling into a compact space was one of the focus I wanted to do in this mod and cover it with full ARGB on it. As for specs, I use an Aorus Z390 Waterforce motherboard. This killer motherboard features a special monoblock. The processor I'm using is an i9 9900K. To match the overall ARGB concept, I'm using an Aorus RGB RAM. For water cooling, I choose a Thermaltake kit. The pump is Pacific P1 and the radiator is a CLM 240. I'm using the Pacific RGB Plus fittings and the Perfect Glow ARGB fans are the true RGB fan also from Thermaltake. The power supply is SFX, also from Thermaltake Soft Power 600 watts. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the overall result I did with this mod. Although in the future I would like to improve it by making it slimmer and more lightweight.
Great work on the scratch build, Haman. I have a soft spot for fully mobile rigs. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button down below and we'll see you for the next one.